Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have exponential equation and we are required to find the value of x. The question go like this. If in the bracket 3 power 2x minus 5 in the bracket 3 power 2x plus 5, this is equal to 2, we are supposed to solve for x. When we observe our question properly, we can see it is in the form of different of two squares, which says a square minus b square. This is equal to, in the bracket, a plus b, a minus b. Let us compare this difference of two squares with our left hand side. Here is 3 power 2x. I'll compare with plus sign, plus 5 in the bracket, and its corresponding negative, which is 3 power 2x minus 5. When we compare it, we get a equal to 3 power 2x, a is equal to 3 power 2x, and b equal to 5. We get a is equal to 3 power 2x, and b is equal to 5. Let's substitute a equal to 3 power 2x and b equal to 5 into a square minus b square. A equal to 3 power 2x but square minus b equal to 5 square. By difference of two square, this is equal to, in the bracket, 3 power 2x plus 5, 3 power 2x minus 5, this is equal to 2. So, 3 power 2x square minus 5 square, this is equal to 2. I will write that. I can multiply the power, 2x multiplied by 2, I'll get 3 power 4x minus 5 square, it is 25. This is equal to 2. Bring minus 25 to the right hand side. 3 power 4x is equal to 2 plus 25. 3 power 4x is equal to 2 plus 25. Let us add up. We're going to get 3 power 4x. This is equal to 27. Let's write 27 in power form. That is going to be 3 power 4x. This is equal to 3 power 3. From this stage, we do know that if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If we have the same base, the power are equal. So we have the same base. 4x is equal to 3. 4x, this is equal to 3. I'll divide by 4. I'll divide by 4. By 4, 1. By 4, 1. I get x is equal to 3 over 4. The value of x is equal to 3 over 4. I hope you understand this exponential equation. For more questions on exponential equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.